Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 10 easy and simple exercises to reduce your belly fat. These exercises can be done in your daily basis. These are very simple and basic exercises. So let's get started. So if you have any queries related to these exercises, you all can comment me in my comment box so that I will answer your comments. Let's get started.